If your snack of choice at the cinema is not salty and buttery, it's likely...
Licorice. Red licorice. Those strands of chewy goodness go perfectly with plots, laughs, and tears.
And one of America's favorite licorice is red vines. Their story and how they're made is like a movie in your mouth.
In a land full of candy stands one man.
Doug Coslow, Assistant Brand Manager of American Licorice Company, to be exact.
Red vines are enjoyed by all sorts of candy enthusiasts. Kids, teens, adults, grandmas, grandpas, everyone, including this guy.
He and 150 employees work at this 250,000 square foot factory.
In a land far, far away
Union City, California, if you really want to know.
stands one factory and a mixer.
Actually, they have 16 mixers. And to get things started for a batch of red vines, into them goes flour.
Hang on. Plot twist!
You thought this chewy treat was gelatin-based. The dough thickens like a movie plot with corn syrup added, citric acid, and then...
And then, I'll tell you what. Original red. Top secret flavor formula.
Gosh, this really is a movie.
I heard through the red vine that the flavors are strawberry, raspberry, something berry, and some other things.
You are right. And wrong. See? That's how secrets work.
No one truly knows the formula of that flavor because there really is no way to put your finger on what exactly original red flavor is.
Even the name licorice itself is a misnomer. American licorice was one of the first to use the licorice plant root in candy and made it black.
That's right. Charlie Chaplin used their black licorice for the shoe he ate in the gold rush.
In the 1950s, red vines were invented, but without licorice root.